If you want to blur the background in Lightroom Mobile and make your subject really stand out, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to create a soft blurred background look using Lightroom Mobile, even though it's not a real lens blur. It's a simple technique that works great for portraits, product photos, and any image where you want more focus on the subject. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy editing tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your photo inside Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Once your image is loaded, look for the masking tool. This is where all the magic happens, because masking lets you edit only specific parts of the photo instead of the whole image. Tap on masking, then choose Select Subject. Lightroom will automatically detect the main subject in your photo. After that, tap Invert, so the selection switches from the subject to the background. If your version of Lightroom has a Select Background option, you can use that directly instead. The goal here is to target the background only, so your subject stays sharp and visible. Now that the background is selected, it's time to create the blur effect. Start by lowering clarity. Reducing clarity softens the contrast in the background and makes it look less sharp. After that, bring down texture as well. Texture controls fine surface detail, so lowering it helps remove those little details that make the background look busy. Together, these two adjustments create that soft, blurred appearance that people often want in portrait edits. Next, go a little further by reducing sharpness in the background. This helps smooth out the edges even more and makes the background feel less distracting. If the image still looks a bit too detailed, increase noise reduction slightly. That can help smooth things out and make the blur effect look more natural. You don't want to overdo it though. The key is to soften the background just enough so your subject becomes the clear focus of the photo. Now let's make the subject stand out even more. Go back and create a new mask, this time selecting the subject itself. Once the subject mask is active, you can slightly increase clarity or sharpness. Just a small boost is usually enough. This helps the subject pop against the softer background and gives your edit a more professional look. If needed, you can also fine-tune exposure a little bit on the background. Slightly lowering the background exposure can add more depth and make the subject appear even more separated from the scene. A few important tips here. This method works best on portrait photos, especially when the subject is clearly separated from the background. Keep in mind, this is not true optical lens blur like you'd get from a camera portrait lens. Instead, it's a clean, soft background effect created through editing. That means your masking needs to be accurate. The better the selection, the more realistic the final result will look. So take your time with the mask edges if your subject has hair, glasses, or complicated outlines. And here's a great pro trick. After reducing clarity and texture, try lowering the background exposure just a little. This can add extra depth and make the blur effect feel stronger without making the image look unnatural. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in the final result. So that's how to blur the background in Lightroom Mobile in just a few simple steps. Select the background, reduce clarity and texture, soften sharpness, add a little noise reduction, and optionally enhance the subject for a more polished look. Once you practice this a couple of times, it becomes very fast and easy. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and come back for more Lightroom editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.